Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's session, we are going to see how to install Zimplit CMS on Linux Mint 20.2. Zimplit is the most lightweight, simple, and customizable content management system ever created. It can have customized and uses only one file. It does not require a database. It allows you to edit any HTML or CSS page. The requirements which are all used for install Zimplit CMS are Apache 2, MySQL, and PHP.
I'm going to check the OS version by using the following command. I'm using Linux Mint 20.2 version. Next, I'm going to install the Zimplit CMS by using the wget command. Now I'm going to unzip the zip file. Next, I'm going to rename the file. Next, I'm going to move the file to HTML directory. Next, I'm going to change the ownership of Zimplit. Next, I'm going to change the permission of Zimplit CMS. Next, I'm going to edit the configuration file of Zimplit by using the following command. Zimplit. Now I'm going to paste the configuration. I'm going to save and quit. Next, I'm going to disable the default configuration. Next, I'm going to enable the Zimplit.configuration. Next, I'm going to rewrite that configuration. Next, I'm going to edit the host configuration file. saving and quite. Next I'm going to restart the Apache web server. Successfully restarted. Next I'm going to check the status of Apache 2 web server. It is active and running. Next we are going to open the browser, and here we need to give our domain, and here we can see the zimplet.php file. And now we want to give the username as Linux help. Next password, retype the password, give your email ID, then start. Now copy this URL and paste here. Click OK. And this is the home page of Zimplit CMS. And now the installation of Zimplit CMS has come to an end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, stay tuned to www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.